All right. It's getting humid out, ain't it?
Hot.
I know. Well, you want to know something? I'm glad we got this little fan. The fan works great. So, it's easy to carry and it fits right on the shelf. So, we like to bring this in on a couple of our jobs because some of these basements do get hot. You need some wind. You know, a lot of basements don't even have no windows open and we're down there suffocating. So, all right. So we'll show you. That's low. That's high. And like I showed you, always check the battery. Just push this button right there. We got 3 lights. We're totally charged up. All right. So you can carry that. Just makes life easy. That's our vacuum cleaner. All right, we'll head in. We'll get everything set up.
This is them right here.
Yeah, go around. They got us going around the back.